Question number 31. The redshift measurement of Doppler effect of galaxies indicate that the universe is, option A, expanding, option B, contracting, option C, stationary, option D, oscillating. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, expanding. Question number 32. A radioactive nuclide decays by emitting an alpha particle, a beta particle, and a gamma ray photon. The change in the nucleon number will be option A, -4, option B, -1, option C, -2, option D, -3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a -4. Question number 33. The relation PV equals nRT shows which law of physics? Option A, Charles' law, option B, Avogadro's law, option C, Newton's constant, option D, ideal gas law. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, ideal gas law. Question number 34. In gases, the speed of sound is inversely proportional to underscore of the density when other factors are same. Option A, square root. Option B, square. Option C, third power. Option D, third root. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a square root. Question number 35. Which one is most stable element on the basis of binding energy? Option A, Sn, option B, Ba. Option C, Kr, option D, Fe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, Fe.
Welcome back to City Quiz channel. Today, we're excited to bring you the second video in our special series dedicated to preparing you for the MDCAT Physics section with a total of 210 quizzes spread across 7 videos. In this series, we'll provide you with comprehensive practice and detailed explanations to help you ace your physics MCQs. Each quiz is designed to challenge your understanding and enhance your problem-solving skills. If you haven't checked out our first video yet, make sure to do so. We covered some essential topics crucial for your exam preparation. https://www.youtube.com/watch?mark v=-dhgcfs1ytk&t=4 Get ready to test your knowledge, improve your problem-solving skills, boost your confidence for the exam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming videos. We have 5 more videos in this series, each packed with valuable practice questions to help you succeed. Stay tuned, and let's conquer the MDCAT Physics section together. Subscribe for more quizzes and updates. Let's back to move our quiz slides.
Question number 36. Emission of radiation from a radioactive substance is, option A, dependent on both temperature and pressure, option B, independent of temperature but dependent on pressure, option C, independent of both temperature and pressure, option D, independent of pressure but dependent on temperature. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, independent of both temperature and pressure. Question number 37. What is the logic symbol for a NOT gate? Option A, option B, option C, option D. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is. Question number 38. Expression of kinetic energy at any displacement x in a vibrating mass spring system. Option A, 12 kx02, 1 minus x2 frac 1, 2, kx_0 2 left, 1 frac x squared, x_0 2 right, 21 kx02, 1 minus x02 x2, option B, 1 to m omega 2 x02, 1 minus x2 x02, frac 1, 2, m omega 2 x_0 2 left, 1 frac x squared, x_0 2 right, 21 m omega 2 x02, 1 minus x02 x2, option C, 12 kx02 frac 1, 2, kx_0 2 21 kx02, option D, 1 to m omega 2 x02 frac 1, 2, m backslash omega caret 2 x underscore 0 caret 2 21 m omega 2 x 0 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a 12 kx 0 2, 1 minus x 2 x 0 2, backslash. Frac, 1, 2, kx underscore 0 caret 2 backslash left, 1 backslash frac, x squared, x underscore 0 caret 2, backslash right, 21 kx 0 2, 1 minus x 0 2 x 2. Question number 39. Resistance between two opposite faces of square thin film of area 1 mm caret 2 having thickness of 1 micrometer if resistivity of material is 10 to the power of -6 omega will be, option A, 1000 ohms, option B, 100 ohms, option C, 1 ohm, option D, 10 ohms, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, 1 ohm. Question number 40. Are the particles that experience strong nuclear force? Option A, electrons. Option B, muons. Option C, neutrinos. Option D, neutrons. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, neutrons. Question number 41. Proper way to study the sinusoidal waveform of voltage? Option A, voltage to Y input and time base is on, option B, voltage to X input and time base is off, option C, voltage to Y input and time base is off, option D, voltage to X input and time base is on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a voltage to Y input and time base is on. Question number 42. If speed of efflux through a small hole in a large tank is 9.8 meters per second, find the height of the fluid above the hole. Option A, 1 m, option B, 9.8 m, option C, 4.9 m, option D, 19.6 m. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, 4.9 m. Question number 43. Light year is a measure of, option A, distance. Option B, time. Option C, intensity of light. Option D, velocity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a distance. Question number 44. A wire has resistance 100 ohm at 0 degrees Celsius and 200 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. What is its temperature coefficient in K to the power of -1? Option A, -0.01. Option B, -0.0036630004, option C, 0.01. Option D, 1/273. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, 0.01. Question number 45. In normal adjustment of compound microscope, the eyepiece is positioned so that the final image is formed at, option A, optical center, option B, infinity, option C, principal focus, option D, near point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, infinity. Question number 46. If general equation for destructive interferences is given by the relation 1/2 lambda, where m is an integer, then first dark fringe appears from m will be equal to, option A, 0, option B, February 1st, option C, 2, option D, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C2. Question number 47. Thorium is transformed after the transmission of beta particle into, option A, bismuth, option B, protactinium, option C, polonium, option D, palladium. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, protactinium. Question number 48. Which relation exactly described the isothermal process? Option A, Q equals W, option B, W equals delta U, option C, Q equals delta U, option D, Q equals delta U plus W. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, Q equals delta U plus W. Question number 49. When a helium atom loses an electron, it becomes, option A, an alpha particle, option B, proton, option C, a positive helium ion, Option D, a negative helium ion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, a positive helium ion. Question number 50. What should be the length of simple pendulum whose period is 6.28 second at a place where G equals 10 ms2? Option A, 0.28 m. Option B, 10.8 m. Option C, 6.28 m. Option D, 10 m. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, 10.8 m. Question number 51. Minimum distance from the eye at which an object can be seen clearly without strain. Option A, focal point. Option B, near point. Option C, yield point. Option D, far point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, near point. Question number 52. Emission of alpha decay from a radioactive substance causes. Option A, decreases in Z by 4 and decreases in A by 2. Option B, decreases in A by 1 and Z remains same. Option C, decreases in Z by 1 and A remains same. Option D, decreases in A by 4 and decreases in Z by 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, decreases in Z by 4 and decreases in A by 2. Question number 53. A bar of length L pivoted at O is acted by a force F at an angle theta with vertical line as shown in figure. What is the moment of force? Option A, L sin. Option B, L cos. Option C, LF cos. Option D, LF sin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, LF sin. Question number 54. Laser is an acronym for. Option A, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Option B, light annihilation by stimulated emission of radiation. Option C, light amplitude of stimulated emission of radiation. Option D, light amplification by stimulated emission of radio. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Question number 55. Sodium 24 is used for. Option A, sterilization. Option B, study of circulation of blood. Option C, skin cancer. Option D, thyroid cancer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, study of circulation of blood. Question number 56. During the decay of radioactive isotopes 232X to a stable isotope, 6 alpha particles and 4 beta-90 particles are emitted. What is the atomic number Z and mass number of the stable isotopes? Option A, Z equals 70, A equals 220. Option B, Z equals 78, A equals 212. Option C, Z equals 82, A equals 212. Option D, Z equals 82, A equals 208. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, Z equals 82, A equals 208. Question number 57. Which combinations of 7 identical resistors each of 2 ohms gives rise to the resultant of 10/11 ohm? Option A, 5 parallel, 2 series. Option B, 4 parallel, 3 series. Option C, 3 parallel, 4 series. Option D, 2 parallel, 5 series. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, 4 parallel, 3 series. Question number 58. Which of the following lights travels the fastest in optical fibers? Option A, visible light. Option B, invisible infrared. Option C, ultraviolet. Option D, ordinary light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, invisible infrared. Question number 59. Transverse waves cannot be set up in. Option A, metals. Option B, solids. Option C, fluids. Option D, soil. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, fluids. Question number 60. What does CAT stand for in X-ray technology? Option A, capacitor amplifier transistor. Option B, option C, cathode-anode technique. Option D, current amplification technology. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B.